People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is CRlME. Now today I'm going to talk about the fact that the saying is true. Behind every cloud is a silver lining. But before I go into that, let me just say, people, please refrain from sending me the headline news about the big C. Right, now when I say the big C, you know what I'm talking about. Father YouTube has already started the foolishness. Right, the censorship has already started. Once you mention that name, that word, them automatically flag down the video, and them algorithms stop push out the video and them stop push it. Right, it has already started. They can ask any other YouTube creator to test it if you don't believe me. So as of now, I'll be referring to it as the big C. Right. So people, as I said, please refrain from sending me the headline news. I can see on loop that 3 more people or 4 more people. I can see those things. I'm reading news sites daily, people. The little hidden stories, them and them little thing there. Please continue to send me those. But the big headline stories, please don't bother send me those things, because what happened is I then get 50 of those messages, which is the same message, and then it takes me one whole day to get to find something to say, okay, yeah, this is worth talking about. Right, so no disrespect or nothing, people, but please just use some common sense when you send me these stories. If I headline news on the big news sites, them I see it already. I live on most of these news sites, people. Now I wanted to understand something. As I was going through these news sites, as I was saying, I noticed something. I was like, why am I not hearing about no crime and everything there? Ever since the big C reached Jamaica, I not hear about, normally we have the 4 and 5 and 6 people that drop out every single day. I'm like, why am I not hear about no more of that? People, you know, realize they look like 87 is gone on break. You know how the Prime Minister, they come out and say all social events are now cancelled for the next 14 days. Champs cancel and all these things. Well, people, it look like say the 87 convention or the Jamaica Union of 87s come together and decide, say, boy, then gone on break too. People look like say we have a 14-day break when the 87s are walk one. And then, just as I was thinking that this, I was actually drafting up the thumbnail and the thing for the video to talk about it. Scrolling through my messages on Instagram, I see one of my subscribers send me this picture, the one that you're looking at right now, saying about 24-hour period there's been no murder in Jamaica. And I said, there you go. I knew something was different. I knew me never hear about no murder or no shooting or no going like country. I was like, that's strange, right? Oh, me not see nothing on the news station anymore. News station them forget about crime. People, it look like say we'll find the crime plan. People look like we'll find the crime plan. All this time they are worried about crime plan and who will come up with this and who will do that. People will find it. The big C. The big C is the crime plan. People 87 is gone on holiday. 87 too busy to buy up them sanitizers and them towel and them toilet paper. Right? Right now 87 look like they even afraid to touch all the machine them, because you know say people remember say 87 share machine them. Right? 87 share the same machine, and so like the man them afraid to touch them because they say, boy, Ricky Ticky or Blacks did use that one the last week, and I don't want him come pass nothing give me. You know a lot of misinformation, but they don't know that. Right? Man I say, boy, yo, I'm not going to the carry, they go pull out a drive-by end because when the carry might get some people 87 is going on break. 24 hours. Listen. Silver lining behind the cloud. Silver lining behind the cloud, people. Right? So till if this thing will continue, right? If we start say 3-4 weeks pass and we not hear about no murder or no we not hear about no murder or no big shooting or no 4 or 5 people that drop out every single day. Hey, we have to call it what it is. Right? Behind every cloud is a silver lining. And this seem like this is our silver lining. Right? I know we're gonna say, well, sir, people still are good. Yeah, that's true. Right? But so far we haven't taken any nobody not even mad yet from it. Touch wood, as people say, touch wood. Right? But obviously there is a hint or there's an element of humor to the situation. But what is factual is that 87s, at least over a 24-hour period, gone on vacation. And the big C is definitely tied up to that. The last time I can remember, the place so quiet. This is how far back you have to go. The last time I can remember thinking to myself, hold on, I'm not able to foolishness. I'm not able to shooting on them. You know when it was, people? 1998. Who remembered what happened in 1998? When it looked like say all 87 gone on vacation. Who remember what happened? 98. Summer 98. Comment section. What happened? People, World Cup. The last time I can remember 87 going on vacation was during the 1998 World Cup in Jamaica. They go France. People, all 87 gone on vacation. Man was too busy in front of them TV screen. If you wait up, man. Right. So people, as I said, there's an element. Obviously, it bound to start back, but I'm just saying, notice that when things get serious and people afraid, even 87 is gonna sit on one side. Because what are human beings most afraid of? What is the thing that by nature is wired into our brains that put the most fear in our people? The answer to that question is the unknown. There is nothing that makes human beings afraid like the unknown, right? Because you notice people have been putting out comparisons and saying, listen, Big C compared to this is not as bad as this because this take out this amount of people every year, and Big C not take out that amount of people every year. But guess what? People know about the other one. People know about them thing there. They get used to them thing there. The Big C is new and the Big C is unknown, and human beings are afraid of the unknown, right? Down the road, when this thing, if you get to a point where again it get too popular and too common, then you're going to see people get very relaxed about the Big C. Mark my word right now, people. I'm telling you right now on this channel, down the road, people will become very comfortable and relaxed and nonchalant about the Big C. Remember, you know, we constantly hear about some new thing and go take out the whole of we. After when it just come out, everybody went up and down. But then after we get used to it and it get known, then people are like, yeah, so there you go. You just drink some tea, take some vitamin C. Down the road, that is attitude people will take up. Trust me, people. And then 87s will go right back to where them do normally. Because they might say, oh, when I get take out, alright, back to my usual routine. Right? But at least for right now, by some strange twist of fate, we're actually reaping the benefits of the Big C when it comes on the crime and violence. Obviously we don't want nobody get sick and like that, but at least when it comes on to 87s and crime and violence, we're reaping some kind of benefit. And let me tell you something, people. You see, whoever come up with the medicine for this, they're going to become billionaires if they are not already billionaires. Whichever company put this out, we say, yeah, see the medicines feet here. People, them gonna make billions on top of billions because the whole world are gonna buy it. The whole world are gonna buy it. Alright, so trust me, people are gonna get very rich off of this. Whoever come up with it, because all of the money deal with stocks and them thing there, when them start buy up shares in that company, people, I tell you, profits are gonna be crazy. Right? So I just wanted to put people out there. I don't know how much other people notice it, right? Because I know a lot of my subscribers notice things like this. And even the person who sent me the picture that you're looking at right now, about the 24-hour period, I know, so I sit down and match it out. Right? And I say, hold on, oh, this looks so. Look. And then, sir, if you're interested in this now, send me something like this. These are the things I like to see people. Right? As I say, I like to interact with people. I like to interact with my subscribers. But a lot of the things people send me are redundant, right? Headline news, I see that, right? I can see all of the headline news them. I look a story here and I look a story, like the person who sent me the link to the story on Pinkwater and everything there, gold dust, because I'm naturally not going to see that because obviously I'm not hanging around Pinkwater or nothing like that. But the headline news them, people just please, let's cut back on them, right? Because I get it, you see it immediately and you think to yourself, well, so if you're going to see this, but then guess what? I have like almost 50,000 subscribers. So imagine if 10% of people think to themselves, so if you're going to see that, right? Then them are going to send it to me, and then I have one whole day I try to go through messages, right? So I don't want to dissuade nobody from sending things to me, but please just think to yourself, oh, this is headline news, so if you see that, man, alright? So again, people, big up on yourself, Patreon squad, you don't know already. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.